Are you needing to stop pigeons or seagulls landing where they shouldn't? Today we're comparing the BIRDOFF spike range from PestFix, so you can choose the right spike for your job. Bird spikes are a humane, long-lasting deterrent. They stop birds landing and nesting without harming them. They're ideal for ledges, signs, gutters and roofs. All BIRDOFF spikes are UV stabilised virgin polycarbonate bases and 302 stainless steel rods. They're designed to last and they've got a 10-year material warranty. Starting small, BIRDOFF narrow pigeon spikes. Perfect for slim surfaces like narrow sills or fencing rails. You get a precise protection without overkill. Next up, standard pigeon spikes. These are your go-to for general pigeon problems on ledges, beams or signs. The cross-directional rods give a denser coverage, so there's no gaps and no landings. Now, BIRDOFF wide spikes give you a maximum coverage for wider surfaces. They're great for parapets and flat roofs. It's the same robust design, just with a broader footprint. And lastly, for larger birds, like seagulls, you'll need something more heavy-duty. The BIRDOFF seagull spikes are taller, wider and ready for the big jobs. If you're ready to protect your property the smart way, check off the full BIRDOFF spike range at PestFix. The link's in the description.